Production doesn't slow you down, blind spots do. When data lives on paper, in islands of SCADA, ERP or scattered spreadsheets, teams react late and audits become chaos. Delpheon unifies your factory, machines, meters and people into one live view you can trust. It works with what you already have. Legacy PLC meters, mixed protocols, manual inputs, and runs reliably at the edge even with erratic internet or power. IoT Gateway connects seamlessly with Modbus, OPCUA, SNMP, MQTT, and many more. It ensures smooth data flow from machines to database. With edge heartbeat monitoring, you're always assured of reliable, active connectivity. Beyond graphs, Delpheon turns data into action. Rule-based alerts flag, process, drifts. Incident trails capture who did what, when. No-code dashboards let supervisors build the views they need. In minutes. Historian, ERP, LEMS, shift logs, no data duplication. Just pure integration. On the line, process monitoring with deviation watch. In quality, batch-wise, traceability. For utilities, live energy, air, water, steam, visibility. And for management, shift and plant views that align everyone. Compliance stops being a scramble. Time-stamped logs, e-checklist and audit-ready reports are generated from your daily operations. ESG and KPI dashboards. Built-in, not bolt-on. With Delpheon, plants catch issues earlier, act faster, stabilize yields, and cut reporting time. All without changing machines or pausing production. See your factory on one screen in days, not months. Bring a line live and measure the impact yourself.